Hi everyone, Svetlana Sotak here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the essential pouch. This is a classic zipper pouch featuring a contrasting bottom and a super simple zipper closure, and the pouch comes in 4 different sizes. You can find all the materials as well as cutting instructions in the pattern, and I will put a link to the pattern in the description box below so you can purchase it if you wish. In this video, I will be making a small size of the pouch, and I already went ahead and cut out all my panels using the provided templates, and I went ahead and adhered fusible interfacing to the wrong side of each of the corresponding panels. I will be using a metal zipper to make my pouch, and it's important to keep in mind that the metal zipper needs to be the exact size that the pattern calls for. And to measure the length of the zipper, you measure from one metal end to the other metal end of it, not the length of the zipper tape, okay? So I measure it from this side all the way to this edge, and it's 6 inches, which is exactly the length of the zipper that I need. You can also use a nylon zipper if you prefer, and you can choose either from a zipper by the foot or a standard nylon zipper. And I have a detailed video on how to shorten these nylon zippers and add it to the essential pouch. And I will put the link to the video in the description box below. And here is the difference between these two pouches. So this one uses a metal zipper, this one uses a nylon zipper by the foot. So for a metal zipper, we'll have one fabric tab on a closed end of the zipper, and it opens up nice and wide on this side. And for a nylon zipper, we have 2 fabric tabs on each end of the zipper, and this is how it opens up. So it really is up to you which style you prefer or what you have on hand.